Is your Spectrum router's reset button not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience this issue. First, let's diagnose the problem. The reset button is a small pinhole typically found on the back or side of your Spectrum router. You'll need a paper clip to press it. Before assuming it's broken, check for physical obstructions like dust or debris. Use a can of compressed air to clean the button area. If the button feels stuck, avoid using excessive force. Press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. If the router's lights don't flicker or respond, it indicates a potential hardware issue. Remember, there are two types of resets, soft and factory resets. Before attempting either, always ensure your router is properly powered on. A simple power cycle, unplugging the router for 30 seconds, can often resolve minor glitches and act as a soft reset. Make sure to do this before moving on to the next step. If the button is still unresponsive, it's time to explore alternative reset methods, which we'll cover in the next section. Since the physical reset button isn't working, let's explore software-based alternatives. Spectrum's mobile app, updated in 2025, offers a remote reset feature, allowing both soft and factory resets without touching the hardware. This is Spectrum's primary recommendation. You can also access your router's settings through a web browser by typing 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, usually admin for both username and password, but check your router's manual. Navigate to the Settings or Administration section to find the factory reset option. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, so back them up if possible. For long-term solutions, consider that physical buttons are becoming less essential. Spectrum's newer routers are focusing on app-based controls and even voice-activated resets. If your router is under warranty, typically 2 years, contact Spectrum support for a replacement. Also, keep your router's firmware updated via the Spectrum app to prevent future issues. Regular updates can improve reset button responsiveness and overall router performance.